Hello everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, I'm excited to share with you our in-depth review of the best stainless Blackstone griddle top, an essential tool for anyone who loves outdoor cooking or wants to elevate their grilling game. We'll explore its features, benefits, and why it deserves a spot in your backyard kitchen. When it comes to outdoor cooking, nothing beats the versatility and performance of a griddle. The stainless Blackstone griddle top is designed for those who seek quality, durability, and excellent heat distribution. Made from high-grade stainless steel, this griddle top offers not only a sleek appearance but also outstanding resistance to rust and corrosion. Now, let's talk about size and design. This griddle top is spacious enough to cook for a crowd. Perfect for family gatherings, barbecues, or weekend brunches with friends. Its ample cooking surface allows you to prepare everything from crispy bacon and eggs to grilled veggies and burgers all at once. Plus, the stainless steel surface ensures even heat throughout, allowing you to achieve that perfect sear without any hot spots or uneven cooking areas. One of the standout features of this griddle is its versatility. Whether you're searing, sautéing, or frying, the non-stick surface makes it easy to cook a wide range of foods without sticking. Cleanup is a breeze, thanks to the flat surface that can be wiped down quickly, allowing you to spend more time enjoying your meals and less time scrubbing. For those concerned about maintenance, the stainless material is not only easier to clean but is also incredibly durable. It withstands high temperatures and is perfect for those intense grilling sessions. This means you can take it to the outdoor grill without worrying about warping or cracking, making it a reliable choice for years to come. The Blackstone griddle top also shines when it comes to cooking for multiple people. Imagine hosting a backyard cookout where you can whip up an entire breakfast or dinner in one go. With this griddle, you can keep all the food hot and ready to serve at the same time. It's perfect for entertaining and can handle the heat, literally and figuratively. Additionally, this griddle top is compatible with various Blackstone accessories, allowing you to expand your cooking options even further. From spatulas to grill scrapers, there's a whole line of tools designed to make your cooking experience even better. So, why should you choose the stainless Blackstone griddle top over others on the market? Simply put, its combination of durability, versatility, and ease of use is unmatched. Whether you're a novice griller or a seasoned pro, this griddle top elevates your outdoor cooking experience and takes it to a whole new level. In conclusion, the stainless Blackstone griddle top is more than just a cooking surface. It's an investment in delicious meals and valuable time spent with loved ones. If you're serious about outdoor cooking or want to impress your guests at your next gathering, this is definitely the griddle top to consider. Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on any of our upcoming reviews. Happy grilling, and we'll see you next time.